Hello everybody, my name is Thor Young and I would like to do a recap for you today. Today's recap is going to be a little bit different for me because I was trading the pre-market. Now, why was I trading the pre-market today? And that's what I want to talk about. Today, I played the Jobless numbers release. Now, especially since the market was declining heavily the past week or so, really my thought being any real solid news catalyst is probably going to be a really nice thing for us, right? And a really nice move in the right direction, at least give us a little bit in there. So I like to watch these kind of things like the jobless numbers and claims because they give you an idea of where the overall strength of the market is going, right? So what I'm looking for when those numbers comes out is the stock going to support? Is there a lot of volume coming in? What are we looking like here? So one thing, right before the numbers came out, or as the numbers came out, you immediately see a drop down on high volume underneath R2 here. Nice. I just got a partial up near 380. That was my next target. Let me go ahead and move to break even. Not that my stop works in market, but whatever. Awesome move. So as we came down here and we drop below R2, we get this compression event that happens under here, right? We immediately start getting a lot of volume, but the price starts to raise and makes lower lows. I go ahead and go long here because I was feeling really strong about the numbers, and I liked that we were under this level, but we weren't selling away from it. We were, wedging up underneath it. So a lot in stock trading, a lot of the common term for this is called a pennant, which is where you have something drop out of range and then compress and then come back into range. So, and this is what this is. So it drops down here, compresses, I go long. My stop loss was just the loss of my candle. We have a nice solid little over 3-to-1 hold, feeling really good about that one, and then up, and now we're off and going. So the reason I'm bringing this up today is because I want to talk about how powerful a good catalyst can be, right? Especially when you have a market that's oversold or overbought and people are probably feeling like it's a little below value. They're just going to be waiting for that moment to tell them that it's time to kick in and time to get going. So, and as you can see, I'm actually anticipating what will hopefully be an all-day rally on the SPY, and I'm already in below 376. The SPY was at 393 only a couple of days ago. So I've got a ton of topside on this one that I can play with, and it's only just after 9 o'clock. You can see it on my computer here, Eastern Standard Time. Market's not even open yet, and I'm already done trading for the day. So I hope everybody has a great day, and as always, keep it green.